Welcome back to the Tournament of Mega. Today, 8 monster trucks are, wait, not 8! Yes, 8 monster trucks are gonna race at this track. The winners of Sci-Fly will make it to the furthest win. Ready? Let's go. Be careful of the river. If they go to the river, they still win, okay? Ready? Let's go. Torture. Demo Derby. And now for the first matchup. Here we go. Go Hot Wheels. Wait. And what did we go for you? Torque. Wait. Oh, my foot. Wait. Torque wins it. Demo Derby has the lead by a mile, but Torque still win from behind. Hump up the sneak. Audium Mega Rex. Mega Rex. Get the win by a toad. Rock and roll. Hound Hauler. Wipe out. Bigfoot stomps the victory in style to get the win. Can't stop the stomp. Pure muscle. Bone sugar. Oh no, pure muscle. Bone shaker. Steals win by a little crush. Thrash and smash. Onto the semifinals. Me, Mega Rex. Me win Mega Cup. That's right, dude. Yeah. Go. Mega Rex boost to the final for the win. Ho ho ho. Question. Do you know how to swim? I know how to win. See who on the track. Bone shaker. Bigfoot. Go. Oh, wait. Bigfoot stomps another victory for the finals. I'm stomping out of here. Well, folks, this is it. Our final have conquered the river jump, and the winner's going to take home the Hot Wheels Monster Mega Cup. He avoided extinction and is hungry for the Mega Cup. Give it up for the Savage Monster, Mega Rex. It's not a rumble. It's not a tumble. It's the living legend himself, Bigfoot. Go Wheels. And we have a winner. They are tired to tire down the slide, but Mega Rex is extinct. And Bigfoot, the living legend, stomps over the Mega Rex for the Mega Cup. Hey there, Bigfoot. You were the crustacean. How'd you do? I stomp home doms every time, and these trucks got cold feet after my stomp. Well, you're watching for even more big racing challenges. You have to do a bit of Rainbow Mega and Mega.